Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another VR to share with you guys today. So this is for Ilene Mack, and she was hosting a Dollar Tree giveaway, and all she wanted was something small in the mail. So I figured I would make a little cup of kindness, and I shared this on my Instagram, on my IGTV, and my live. So this is inspired by Amy L, who therefore inspired Christian's Crafty Adventures to create a cup without using a die cut or an SVG. So Amy L used an SVG and Christian used her scoreboard and scissors, and she created this little cup, and it's kind of hard to see because I've already packaged it, but it's on my Instagram. So if you're following me on Instagram and you missed out, just go ahead, go to my Instagram and go to my IGTV, and it should be there, and I show you in detail what this cup looks like. So I also added some chipboard from Target. This is from their Spritz collection, and this is like 2-3 years ago. So I just took off the sticky off the back of the chipboard, and I used my crocodile to punch a hole and added a grommet or an eyelet. And I just added 2 of the chipboards and a jingle bell, and I thought that looked super cute. I also have a little altered little jar in the inside of the cup, and that is holding some goodies in there, and there's some other stuff in the bottom of the cup. But then I also altered a little tin that I received for my birthday giveaway, and I just put some scrap of paper around the bottom of the tin. I hot glued the cup to my tin so it's all one piece, and that has a few goodies in there too. So that is what I'm going to send to her, and here is my card I already wrote out for her. I'm also going to gift her some these little beads. These are from Dollar Tree, and then these are from Walmart, but I thought these would be so cute, so she could put, use these on her little crafty projects. So I hope she loves what I made for her. I mean, it is little, but it is fully loaded with some goodies in there. So you guys go check out Ilene Mack. I think her challenge has already expired, but I still wanted to send this out to her. She's the first and only person that I've met so far and have communicated back and forth with the same name. We both have the same name, and I said this before in my giveaway because she also entered my giveaway. But anyway, I'll leave her links down below. I think she's only on YouTube, but don't quote me. Anyway, this is for her, and thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Thanks guys, bye.